So these are my breeder pigs. That's Eenie. This is Baconator. He's a boy. And he's a big pig. And he's got big teeth. Huh, buddy? He's the boar. And this is the chute that I'm in. That's Link. She's a year and a half. She's the other female. And then the last pen is down here where I'm building their house for the two of them. I'm doing 3 little pigs, and this one is a house of stone. But I have way more stone already ready. It's over at the house. She's going to get a house of wood. And the first pen's going to be a house of straw. Like the 3 little pigs. So yes, I was chipping. And I actually broke my first rock. Pretty excited about that. Right there. From that big in my foundation. With the hammer drill. And I need some wedges and feathers. It would go faster. Call me crazy, but this is going to be so cool when it's done.